So friend, this is a most common problem that's faced by every English learner, including me. So I also don't have English environment, but we have to make that environment for ourselves. So now I'm going to provide you some YouTube channel by watching those channel you can improve your English. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about a most common problem, that is I am not surrounded by this language and I don't have any English environment. So how can I learn English and how can I speak English? So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can create an environment, English environment for yourself, and how you can learn English, how you can speak English. So not further ado, let's get into the video. So friend, this is a most common problem that's faced by every English learner, including me. So I also don't have English environment, but we have to make that environment for ourselves because we really want to learn this language, we really want to speak in this language. So we have to create this environment for ourselves. So how we can do this, how we can create this environment, English environment? So friend, you are the only person that you can help to yourself. There is no one who is going to help you. No, there is no one. You can only help to yourself. So how you can create this type of environment? So friend, if you are doing something, whatever you are doing at your home, you are sitting in your living room, you are watching TV, you are making food, or you are washing clothes, or you are doing whatever at your home, you have to say to yourself, you have to tell yourself, you have to tell your mind like you are doing this thing. Like I am making this video, so I have to tell my mind like I am making this video, I have to make this video and I have to solve this problem. So I can tell this type of things. If you are watching TV, then you can say like I am watching TV. You have to tell your mind you are watching TV, and whatever you want to tell about TV or that area, so you can tell anything to your mind. So whatever you are doing at your home, you have to tell your mind, you have to tell your mind like I am doing this thing, and you have to tell in this language, English language only, like I am watching TV and I am watching this series, I am watching Netflix, whatever you are watching, you have to tell your mind in English language. Okay, and you are in kitchen, you are working, like you are making chapatis and you are washing dishes, so you have to tell your mind like I am doing this and I am making chapatis, I am making dough. So you have to tell all the things to your mind in English language. And what you have to do, you are going anywhere, like you are going to take auto, you are going to book movie tickets, and you are going to have some foods. So you have to tell your mind in English what you are going to do. Okay, and next thing, whatever you are watching in TV, okay, whatever you are watching in TV or mobile, you have to watch that thing in English language. Don't try to watch that thing in other language, in your mother tongue or in your native language. Try to listen that thing in English language, only and only in English language. Then you can speak fast, then you can learn English easily. And in night time, what you have to do, if you are going to take rest, if you are going to take nap, if you are going to take sleep, so what you have to do, take your phone and start any voice, like any audio, it could be a song. So try to listen something in English language. Don't try to watch at that time. Try to listen that thing in English language. It will help you a lot to improve your thinking power, and to improve your listening power, and to improve your speaking also. So you can do these kind of thing. And now I'm going to provide you some YouTube channel which I'm following right now, to improve myself, to improve my speaking level, and to improve my listening also. So listening is very important when you want to speak in this language, because if you are a good listener, then you can reply to anyone in this language. If you are not listening properly, if you are not getting anything in a right way, so how you can reply, how you can answer that question? So you should be a good listener, then you can be a good speaker also. So try to listen carefully then you can understand easily, then you can reply easily. So now I'm going to provide you some YouTube channel by which, by watching those channel, you can improve your English, you can improve your listening power, listening skills, you can improve your understanding skills, you can improve your speaking skills also. So not further ado, here are these 5 YouTube channel. So I'm going to provide you this type of channel like categories wise, like entertainment channel, vlogging channel, and cooking channel, DIYs, and news channel. And so I'm going to provide you 5 different kind of channels. So the first one is a teaching channel, infotainment channel. So that one is geography now. You can learn geography or new words. You can learn so many things about the world, and from the wildlife also. So you can learn so many things from that channel, geography now. So the next channel is a vlogging channel. Vlogging is so many people nowadays have been following vlogging YouTubers. So you can also follow that YouTuber, but it could be in English also. So the vlogging channel is Casey Neistat. Casey Neistat is a very good channel if you want to speak in this language. This is the best channel to learn English, to speak English. Casey Neistat. It's a vlogging channel, and you also make video about your daily life, what you do in your daily routine. So you can also describe your whole day in English language. So try to describe your whole day in this language by watching Casey Neistat. Okay, so this is also a best channel. And if I talk about news channel, so the news channel is John's Olives. John's Olive is also a best channel, and he provide you a truth all over the world, and you can learn so many things. If you have interest to watch news, then you can follow John's Olive. So this is also a best channel. So the fourth one is, it's like a DIY channel. DIY, we do some DIY. This channel is like about lifestyle and DIY. So this is Garden Up. So this is also a best channel. So many women can learn so many things from this channel, because a lady running this channel, so you can learn so many things from that channel. And the last one is entertaining channel. So this is not a channel actually, this is a series. You can watch it full series on Netflix also, and you can watch some short parts of this series on YouTube also. The series name is Worth It. Worth It is also a good, so you can watch this channel also, this series also, and you will enjoy this channel which I have provided you. So I hope these channel will help you to improve your communication skill, to improve your listening skill, to improve your understanding power. So these are best channel to improve yourself. So I'm also following these channels to improve myself, and I want you to watch this channel to improve your English and learn English. So this is a best technique to make a environment, English environment, by on your own and at your home also. So you can make this type of environment at your home. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are having, whatever you are eating, whatever you are watching, just try to do it in English language. Then you can improve yourself day by day in easiest way. So I hope this video will help you a lot. If yes, then give a like to this video and share with your friends and family. See you in next one. Till then, bye bye.